This was the first time when I was not passionate about my birthday. Maybe it's just me growing up and realizing that birthdays were only for the kids and no more for us. When you do not expect anything, when you do not fancy big things, great thing happens in your life. Great things come to your life. It just melt my heart. It was so good. I don't know how to explain that feeling, and this is how it opens. When you open, it's like this. Like somebody is investing time for you. It's so unmeasurable. It's so special. Now the time is so much different, but still, we are doing those our old school things, right? Actually different. This was the first time when I was not passionate about my birthday. This was the first time where I was not excited for my birthday. I did not even thought that my birthday would be like this. I will be buying this dress and yeah, this and that. I did not. I was like very okay, like, because I don't know why, I just feel that I don't want to feel special for a day, and then feel FOMO the next day, and do not want to expect anything from anyone, that they are organizing some party for me or just get together, that I'm going to get some flowers, blah blah blah. So I had this like zero expectation. I don't know why, I just did not wanted any of it. Maybe it's just me growing up and realizing that birthdays were only for the kids and no more for us. Maybe it was like, I don't know what it was. And I did not went out with any of my friend for on my birthday. I rather chose to celebrate it with my family. I did not even choose to celebrate it. Actually, it was all my family's plan to have a puja at home, and it was incredible. Like, I cannot tell you how simple, how beautiful that was. Sometimes when you do not expect anything, when you do not fancy big things, great thing happens in your life. Great things come to your life. You don't even realize it. When you stop chasing, you start attracting. This is so magical. Like, I had this family get together. A few of my relatives came home and we celebrated it together. So much of laughter, so much of love, so much of hustle bustle because it was a puja at home. People were there, and I also got sohar on a birthday. Sohar is like when people sing for the baby. When the baby is born, a bunch of women sing for that kid for their better future. It was kind of giving blessing, and my mother urged the women, like, there was puja at my home, so there was kirtan as well. So she asked them to sing a sohar for me. So they sang sohar, and it was so good. It was so good. It was like, I cannot explain you. That was like, I don't know, it's such a simple thing, it's such a normal thing, but that was such a hard hitting that the people are singing for you. And it was so good. I don't know how to explain that feeling. And also, I got a little bit emotional on my birthday during the puja also. I also got a little gift from my friend. I can show you, it's just right here. It is like this. One of my friend, she is my school friend, Sadia. Shout out to Sadia. And she is my school friend, and we used to have a lot of debates while we were school friend. We used to like argue, not actually argue, we used to debate. Like, argue is like a wrong word, but we used to debate a lot. We used to go for every competition, sports and everything, and very passionate we were. And I always used to miss her in my college time, because I always wanted a friend like her who uplift you. She was a kind of a girl who uplifted me so much, and she do not even realize this. And I really owe this to you, bro. Before leaving the city, she came home yesterday unexpectedly. She did not even tell me that she is coming home. Otherwise, I would have at least. I was totally looking homeless. She just arrived, and I was like, God, I was shocked. But when she told me that she is here to give me this small card that she has made, it is it just melt my heart, and this is how it opens, when you open it's like this. It's so cute, so cute. Ooh, and then it comes like this. She write happy birthday Khushi, and there is like this pendant. I have not removed this because इतने अच्छे से इसने ये बनाया है कार्ड. I think the amount of time that she has invested in making just this card is so precious to me. It's so precious to me. Like somebody is investing time for you. It's so unmeasurable. It's so special. If you have people in your life who still believe in making cards for you, who still believes in, in writing you letters, buying you the gifts which resembles you, keep them. They are gold. They are literally gold. The reason why she chose this orange one, because she wrote something. She wrote me a letter. When we were in school, we used to write letters to each other. Thankfully that was not the time when the phone came. Like that was the time when we used to go out and play and not scroll through social media. Now the time is so much different, but still we are doing those our old school things right now. And she wrote me this letter, and her handwriting has not even changed a bit. She still overwrites it. And this writing, when I saw it, the familiarity of this writing is uh, so nostalgic. It just make you feel that everything is just here. Nothing has passed. There is nothing called as memory. There is nothing called as past. Everything is just here only. Nothing has been lost. Everything is just right here. The feeling of nothing has passed. You have lost nothing. It's a great feeling, dude. All right, so she wrote this, and the reason why she chose this orange pendant, because she said that it resembles me. She wrote something very beautiful. She wrote this, when I was buying this, I almost bought a purple one, but something in me kept saying it to buy the orange one. I realized why I bought the orange one. It was because I have started associating you with orange color, like the sunrise orange, vibrant, full of life, beaming with energy, shining, lighting everything around it. So magical, so magical. You light everything around you. So keep looking where that light pours in. Be you. Okay. Okay. And she also asked me, by the way, what do I remind you of? So इसका जवाब मैं ऑनलाइन ही दूंगी. इसका जवाब I would definitely give her through these letters only, and through these beautiful cards which I am going to make her. And I just feel so overwhelmed. Not me. I just felt I'm still feeling the same thing which I felt yesterday when she gave me this. This feeling of gratefulness, this feeling of being important. It's so important. It's so important. Anyways, this is me yapping about my month a little bit, and I think we'll catch up soon. We'll have this introspection thing soon.